Some of the fastest growing YouTube channels right now are built with nothing but stick figures, voiceovers, and simple visuals. No face, no advanced animation skills, no expensive software, yet they're pulling in millions of views. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create one of these stick figure explainer videos from scratch, step by step. You'll see the full process, how to write the script, how to turn that script into a clean, natural voiceover, and how to build the visuals using simple tools anyone can use. This method works especially well for faceless content, and it's perfect for niches like motivation, storytelling, education, and productivity. What makes this approach powerful is how simple and repeatable it is. Once you understand the system, you can create videos faster, stay consistent, and scale without burning out. I'll also be using mostly free tools, so you don't need a big budget to follow along. You can take this exact workflow and adapt it to your own channel and style. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, practical process you can reuse to create clean, professional-looking videos that actually hold attention. If you want a simple way to create engaging faceless videos without overcomplicating things, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The first step is to write your script. I'm using ChatGPT for this, and here's the exact prompt I enter. All the prompts I used in this video will be placed in the pinned comment. Check the pinned comment to get the full prompt. You can modify the prompt however you like, depending on your video's theme. Once you paste the prompt, click Generate. ChatGPT will give you a complete script in just seconds. When you're satisfied with the script, copy it for the next step. You can also edit it, remove anything you don't need, or adjust the wording as you see fit. Now that the script is ready, let's turn it into a voiceover. One of the best tools for voiceovers is 11 Labs. It's a paid tool, but it offers a free trial with 10,000 credits, which is enough to get started. However, I'm going to show you a completely free text-to-speech tool that produces similar results. It's Gemini Text-to-Speech inside Google AI Studio. Open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. Once you're on the site, click on Turn Text into Audio with Gemini. Next, go to Mode and change it from multi-speaker audio to single-speaker audio. Choose a voice you like, then change the model from Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS to Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview TTS for faster results. Now, paste your script and click Run. One important tip: if your script is very long, don't convert it all at once. Long scripts can cause changes in pitch or tone. For best results, divide your script into sections, generate each part separately, and combine them later. Once the audio is ready, download it and save it on your device for the next step. Now that we have both the script and the voiceover, it's time to build the visuals. For this, we'll use Canva, an excellent tool for content creators. Open Canva, select Video, and choose the standard video size. First, upload your voiceover and drag it into the timeline. After that, add a shape to serve as the background. Go to Elements and click on Shapes. Scroll down and select a square. Click on it and it will be added to the canvas. Scale the shape to cover the entire frame. Then extend the timeline so it matches the duration of the audio. Then choose a background color. Keep it simple. Light colors work well, or search for Paper Background in the Elements tab. Many viral stick figure channels use these. If you want something different, search for textures to find more unique options. Now comes the fun part, adding the stick figures. Go to Elements, search for stick figures, and click on Graphics. You'll find plenty of options. Play the first part of your audio to understand the action or emotion needed. Most people don't waste their life. They just spend it carefully on the wrong things. Life feels long when you're young. Split the audio at that point. Then choose a stick figure that matches the scene. Add it to the canvas and resize it if necessary. Repeat this process for each scene in your video. Try to stay consistent with the stick figure style and actions throughout. Finally, if you want to add background music, choose something that matches your video's mood. In Canva, go to Elements, then Audio, and search for terms like inspirational music.
Listen through and pick one you like. If you don't find a good option there, visit Mixkit or Pixabay for copyright-free music. Download the track, upload it to Canva, and add it to your timeline. Adjust where the music starts and lower the volume so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. You can also add captions or subtitles. I personally use CapCut Pro for this. And that's it. Your viral stick figure animation is ready. This is the final result.
Most people don't waste their life. They just spend it carefully on the wrong things. Life feels long when you're young. Days stretch, weeks blur, so you assume there will be time later. Later to slow down, later to change direction, later to do what actually matters. Instead, you stay busy. You